This question says arithmetic mean of scores of 25 students in an examination is 50. So you have a total of 25 students and the in the examination, and you have average as the value as 50, right? So 50 into 25 is going to be what? The total score of all 25 students. Total score of all 25 students. Now, 5 of these students top the examination with the same score. We don't know this particular score, but 5 of them have scored the same, and that's the highest. Now, if the score of the other students are distinct integer, with the lowest being 30. Now, how many students are we referring to? Out of this 25 students, 5 have topped, and the other students, that means you are looking at 20 students over here, with lowest being 30. So the lowest score is 30. Others would have scored more than 30. Then the maximum possible score of the topper is what? Now understand, you are going to find out the scores of these 20 students. So let's say I'm taking A1 as the score of one of those, A2 as the score of another one, all the way up to A20. And there are other set of 5 students who have scored the same score. Let's say that score is equals to X, and you add this, you are going to get 15 to 25. Now, what are we going to find out? We are going to find out the maximum possible score of the toppers. So if you want to maximize this, then you will have to minimize all of these scores. Give the minimum possible value to each one of these. They are distinct integer and the lowest being 30. Let me take A1 as 30. So no one is lower than 30. Then the next one should be 31. Then the next one lowest possible should be 32. And I will go all the way up to what? I have to ensure that there are a total of 20 scores. So if I go up to 49, 49 minus 29 would give you 20 scores over here. You'll have to count these scores. So there are a total of 20 scores that you are looking at. So these should be the scores of these 20 students, plus 5 times of X should be equals to 25 into 50, which is going to be 1250. You need the sum of these values. These are consecutive integers that you are looking at. Now, sum of these 20 values should be n by 2, first term plus the last term, which is 30 plus 49, right? And there are total of how many terms? 20 terms. So 20 by 2 and 30 plus 49 is going to be 79. So if you look at this, this is going to be 790. So what is the score of these individuals? 790 plus 5 times of X should be equals to 1250 is what you are looking at. So 5 times of X should be 1250 minus of 790. If you look at this, so this is going to be 460 to my mind. 460 should be the value of 5x. So what should be the value of x? X 460 divided by 5. 5 9s are 45, 20, 5 4s are 20. So 94 should be the maximum score of the topper. No, this should be 92. Sorry. 460 divided by 5 should be 92. And 92 should be the answer for this particular question. Each of these toppers would have scored 92 marks.